Hey y'all, and welcome back to Easy Nails. Today I am testing out these XXL no C-curve nail tips from AliExpress. I glued them on with KDS nail glue, and you guys can see how cute they are. I absolutely love these. If you guys want to see more of these and more stuff, you guys can go into my AliExpress hauls, and you guys can see where I got these. These are the no curve XXL coffin and nail tips. They are super cute, you guys. Absolutely obsessed. I barely needed to file. These were absolutely awesome. And today I'm going to be creating my first fall nail set for you guys. I'm super excited. We are going to create a French nail, and we are going to be doing a glitter marble. I'm going to show you guys a really easy way how I marble acrylics. I am using my NSI sensitive monomer. I know a lot of people have been having allergies lately, and this is a Hema free monomer. If you guys do not know what Hema is, it is a product that is found very commonly in gels and in acrylic monomers, although there are some companies that do not use it. NSI sensitive monomer is a wonderful monomer that does not have Hema in it, and Hema is usually something that people are super allergic to. So I know a lot of people have been struggling with that, so I highly recommend this monomer. It's great. It's not super low odor, but the odor does not linger, and especially if you guys use those chisel no odor drops, it really helps. It's not a super strong scent. I think that Young Nails is much stronger than this, so I highly recommend this monomer. It's absolutely awesome. And today I'm going to be using tons of double dip products. Using my code, you guys, Glam Nails 10 for 10% off. They have 2-in-1 dip powders. They are acrylic and dip powders. They're really good, you guys. Super pigmented and super easy to use. I'm using this Cover Pink here by Sierra Robles, and I got this from a swap that I did with Rachel's Nail Glam. Check her out, she is awesome. I have a Halloween collab coming up soon with a bunch of lovely ladies, and she is one of them, so look out for that. I also have tons and tons of stuff piling up that I have been meaning to do hauls on. I have Amazon haul. I have a dip powder that I got from a seller on Etsy that's beautiful. I have some Young Nail haul. I have tons of an AliExpress haul. I just have tons of stuff. Also a dip powder. I know I've been telling you guys about Triple D. I do have a haul about what I got from her liquids and dip powders, so keep an eye out for that. And then I did buy some acrylic, those little plastic organizers for a lot of crystals that I got. So let me know if you guys are interested in a video where I organize stuff. Let me know. I'm using, you guys, this is from Design Angels, Dream Design Angels. They are on Instagram. I am just using this as a nail bed color. It's a really pretty nude. And you guys, as usual, I had about 10 different acrylic powders out. I never know what I want to use. I want to use everything on my nail at the same time. Let me know if you guys feel the same, when you just want to use everything at the same time. So here I'm showing you guys all the double dip powders that I am using. If you want to screenshot them, these are super rich fall colors. We have browns, we have coppers, we have reds with glitter. I absolutely love these tones. I adore fall, you guys. I just got the pumpkin spice creamer, and it makes me feel so much like fall. I'm so excited. It's finally getting cooler. It's a beautiful time of year. I hope everybody is doing safe and well. So you guys, getting into the marble. So what I did is I wet my brush in the monomer. I wiped it off, kept it a little bit wetter than usual, so keep a little bit more liquid on your brush, and then you are just going to dip a little bit into each powder. And then you are just going to swipe it on your nail in one direction. When you are marbling, try to only swipe in one direction. Run your acrylic brush through it once or twice. Not too much, because then it's going to end up looking muddy and you won't be able to get that really, really pretty marble effect. So another way to do marble, which you guys can see here, is I pick up a super, super small amount of one color, and then I'll go in with another color and do it right above that, and just swirl those two together with the tip of my brush. There is no wrong way to marble, you guys. Everybody's marble looks different and gorgeous. My tip is use a little bit wetter and really, really small beads. Try to get super, super small beads just with the tip of your brush, and then you can dip into multiple powders. One side one powder, one side the other powder, and then literally just lightly swipe it on your brush from one direction to the other. I hope I'm making sense. The big thing about marbling, I find, is just do not overwork it. Do not wipe back and forth too many times, because then you will not get the pretty, pretty marble effect. So I absolutely adore all these colors. They are coppery, reds, dark reds, burgundies, browns, and then I'm also going to be adding in just some fine gold and copper glitters on top of that. I'm just sprinkling it over the nail. And I found that this added so much, you guys. So if you find like your marble is not looking the best, just add like some little bit of fine glitter, sprinkle it on top, and then layer over that with some more acrylics. So it's a really, really easy way to marble as well. And again, these are Glam and Glitz acrylics, Glam and Glitz, double dip acrylics, and they're super, super affordable. I love them. And again, I am using the NSI sensitive monomer. It is great for people that have allergies. Highly, 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 highly recommend it. So I am doing this on the first finger. I'm also going to be doing a French marble on the middle finger there. And then on this ring finger, I took some clear, and then I picked up champagne gold. That is a fine gold acrylic and dip from Double Dip, and I just did that on the nail bed area, and then I'm fading it towards the tip of the nail, and then I'm going to take a beautiful red glitter, and then I'm going to fade that from the tip towards the nail bed. So you're going to get like a glitter ombre. Super, super easy to do, super, super fun. I absolutely love these. Again, fall vibes. And you guys, look at how awesome these AliExpress nail tips are. Again, these are the new C Curve XXL coffin nail tips. I kind of wish that I left them their length. They were so beautiful, and no C curve at all, but they were just a little bit too long for me. Maybe next time I will try to bite the bullet and leave them that long. They're just so gorgeous, you guys. I highly recommend these nail tips. They're flexible, but they don't bend too much. They're really, really nice, and I barely had a file with these, so they're absolutely awesome. So here I am applying the red glitter acrylic. You guys can see that. And I believe this color called His Queen. Beautiful colors here from Double Dip. I absolutely love them. Highly, highly recommend them. And I'm applying this to the ring finger, just fading those two together. Subscribe to me on Instagram, you guys. This is my Instagram handle. I would love it if you guys would see me on other social media platforms. Also on Facebook, and you guys will get to see my little pups too. So if you guys love doggies, make sure you check out my Instagram. I have 4 little fur babies. They are all super, super cute and super, super tiny, all under 6 pounds. So if you guys like cute little puppies. And I also have a Persian kitty. So make sure you guys subscribe, and I also show previews of my nails on there. So make sure you guys go check it out. So I'm just finishing up with this nail here. And then what I did do off camera is I went in and I sharpened up the smile line of that ring finger. So check that out. And then here, you guys, I'm also using a Hema free monomer that is odorless. So I wanted to give you guys a 2-in-1 in this video using 2 different monomers. This one is completely odorless. It is from Kupa, the Kupa odorless monomer. It does not have Hema. So if you guys have allergies, I highly recommend. It is probably one of the faster setting odorless monomers that I've come across. You do not have to wait forever. It fully sets in about 5 minutes. And you guys can see it is really nice. Pro tip for me when I use this is to use a really small amount of monomer. You do not need a lot of monomer as you would with non-odorless monomers. You just need a really small amount, and then I still drain the back of my brush on my napkin to ensure that it's not running or anything. And I absolutely love this. It seriously has no smell, you guys. It is a Kupa odorless monomer, Kupa, and it is incredible for odorless. And again, no Hema in this one. It just smells like, if anything, gel polish, but it does have an inhibition layer. So once it fully dries, you guys, just wipe off. It's like a sticky layer that you have with gel polish, so just wipe it off with some alcohol. So here I'm going in and showing you guys how to do a marble with French design with acrylic nails in this acrylic nail tutorial. So what I like to do is I like to have like a base color just to highlight around the smile line. I find that it's much prettier that way, but to everybody their own, however you like to do it. I just like to have something to highlight around that smile line, and then I'm going to go in and ombre with some red colors. I use a really fun, vibrant red that's called, there's His Queen, that's like a coppery, glittery red, and then a vibrant red, which is called Red Velvet, and that has no glitter in it. So you guys can see how I'm just picking up the colors wetter, really small beads, and then just using the tip of my brush to swoosh them together. Again, do not overwork it because it will look muddy. You want to make sure that you get that really pretty marble design. So just use super small beads, wetter beads, and use the tip of your brush to mush them together. Absolutely love this, you guys. These nails were so gorgeous. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to subscribe, you guys, if you have not already. I am trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. I appreciate you guys so much. You guys make my day with your kindness and your sweet comments. I do appreciate you guys, and it's so much fun being on this nail journey. I've learned so much through watching all of you guys, so thank you. And I'm just finishing up this nail here. Comment down below, you guys. Let me know what your favorite part is of the fall season. Mine has to be everything pumpkin spice. I adore everything pumpkin, and I love the warm spices, the cinnamon, the nutmeg. They just make me feel so nice and warm inside, and I love the cold weather. So let me know, guys, what you think. And that is it for today's video, you guys. Stay tuned to the end for a really pretty video of the final result and some pictures. Subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.